Oh, that's funny.
Can you help me get her out? Let me get your thing. Help! Rachel, he's at. No, she's really not. Help!
¿Tú lo grabaste? Ay, Dios, pero padre celestial. Mira, mira, el mundo se está acabando, hay que pedirle misericordia. Este es floroso, ya. Ya, suéltame. Ya, ahí llega con mi hija. ¿Y será hembra, varón? ¿Será hembra? Hembra. ¿La gatita tú?
I think this could be one of the funniest things I've ever seen, and tragic. She just needs to get her head down. How do you get your head stuck in a tree?
Peque, ¿qué pinches mamadas estás haciendo, güey? Ahora, ¿cómo chingados te voy a sacar de ahí a la verga, güey? ¡Cállate! ¡Baboso!
Hey, buddy. Did you get stuck? You got really stuck. Where is she? I know. Okay, let's go find her. Ouch. Come on, sweetie. Come on, baby. I'll take it off. Come. Come on. Come here. It's okay. Come here. Come here. Are you stuck? Oh, poor baby. Come here. Come here, sweetie.
Need some help, Tabitha? You got your head stuck in there eating stuff you shouldn't eat? Tabitha? Tabitha?
Fire truck. What did you do? Did you get your head stuck in a bucket?
Chodź.
Kładźcie, Barbara, kładźcie. Не пускай, не дає дихати. me see if you can pull it off.
Get in there. How in the hell did you get in there? Huh? You're like a little battle goat right now. Oh my goodness. Come on. Come on, goats. Oh yeah, I'm just walking around with a tomato cake, Tommy. I'm a gangster. Come on, buddy. Come on. Look, your brother escaped. You're lucky I have one of these. Steady, steady. Don't want to get my watch.
Oh, you naughty little goat. How did you get that on your head? Where did you get this from? Did you get it from in there? Stinky.
What have you done? What have you done? Your head's stuck. Let's get you out. One. And then wait a minute. Oh, there we go. You got it. Hello. How are you doing? Dummy goat. Hello. Can you smell? It's just a camera. You sweet girl. Yeah.
Yung papaw niya.
The body is fixable.
90! Woo!
Ilagay mo sa YouTube.
How'd that happen, goat? How'd that happen, goat? You goat. Well, what do you think you're gonna do about that? Here, goat. Here, goat. Let me help you with that. You silly goat.
Susie!
Holly, stop it. Susie, you need some help. You need some help, Susie. Susie!
Oh no! Tango. That belonged to that. You see that? See this?